Hello friends, welcome to Samail Darbar. Today I'm going to show you how to make pizza, like shop pizza, just with 3 ingredients without any yeast at home. This is a very yummy pizza. For that I'm going to prepare the pizza sauce first. I've taken 6 tomatoes and I have marked an X mark on top of the tomatoes like this. And I'm going to boil it with 1 cup of water. Now after boiling, we are going to peel the skin of the tomatoes. That is very important to get a nice texture to the pizza sauce. Like this, the skin will come out. So you have to peel the skin and then make a puree of the tomatoes. Now I'm going to make the puree of it. Now this is the puree which I grinded it in a mixer. Now I've taken 2 tablespoons of olive oil. You can even use your sunflower oil. And I'm taking 2 flakes of garlic. Now the garlic is ready. And I'm adding 1 onion which I cut into pieces. Now to saute onion, I'm adding 1 teaspoon of salt. Now I'm going to add the puree, that prepared puree, into it, and then I'm going to add half a tumbler of water, half a glass of water, and then I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon of oregano and basil. You can even use Italian herbs or mixed herbs to it. And then I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of tomato sauce or tomato ketchup, and then I'm going to stir it continuously. Now this is the correct consistency. You can switch it off. Now the pizza sauce is ready. Now I'm going to show you how to make pizza base. For that I have taken 2 cups of plain flour and then 2 cups of curd. The curd and the plain flour should be in equal proportion, and then I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of baking soda and 1 teaspoon of salt, and I'm going to mix it into a soft dough. You should not add any water into it. Now the dough is ready. Now I'm going to roll it into a thick pizza base. Now to get a perfect shape, I'm going to use a cap of the tiffin box and then cut it into a perfect circular shape like this. It should be like this. The thickness should be like this. Now I'm going to show you the veggies. So I have taken 1 onion and then the corn kernels. You have to boil the corn kernels before adding it to the pizza. Then half a capsicum and then some olives and some jalapenos. You have to cut it lengthwise like this, thinly. Now I'm greasing a pan with oil and then I'm adding the pizza which we prepared, the pizza base, and then it should be in low to medium flame. The flame should be in low to medium. Brush some oil at the sides of the pizza base. Now I'm going to flip it up. Now after flipping it up, I'm adding the pizza sauce which we prepared earlier. Spread the pizza sauce and then add the veggies which we already have: corn kernels, onions, capsicum, olives and jalapenos. And then now I'm going to add the mozzarella cheese. Now you can even add the pizza cheese which is available at the market, but mozzarella cheese is the best for the texture. Now I'm going to close it and cook it in low flame for around 3 minutes so that the cheese will melt and the veggies will also get cooked. Now I'm going to add the seasonings, Italian seasonings, on top of the pizza. Now the pizza is ready. Now I'll just show you, see how easily I can cut the pizza. It is so soft and yummy and cheesy. Please do try it at your home. This is a very good recipe And if you like this recipe, please subscribe to my channel and please click on the bell buttons for more updates. Thank you.